What's up, people? I'm going to show you how you can take your average phone camera, iPhone or Android, combine it with this weird little clippy thing right here, and get your normal camera looking all right. Clip over your lens, make sure you do it correctly, and you've just got a whole bunch more out of the exact same camera you were using a second ago, simply by using a lens. Let's start the video. What's going on, people? My name's Jack. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, I produce weekly content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe if that sounds interesting. I've got my camera and I've got this little lens. I'm going to show you how you can actually get so much more out of your camera with this little lens right here. Now, these little lenses cost 10 to 15 pounds, 10 to 15 bucks, and the amount of actual enhancement that they do to your lens far exceeds the price point that they're actually sold at. These little things enable you to get more out of your phone camera without spending too much money, as I've clearly labeled. Let me just bring up the prices for you quick for something like this. On the screen is a whole bunch of different lenses similar. These are the exact ones that I have right here, actually. The Mpow fisheye lens 3-in-1 clip-on lens kit. So there's 3 of them. They come in a package just like this. Obviously, I'm using the wide-angle one. You've also got a fisheye and a macro. The fisheye is kind of like the wide-angle, except it's a fisheye, so you still get that kind of wide angle, but it's more of a circular fisheye bug eye type of effect right there, but still very cool. And the other one, the macro, is pretty much just a close-up lens. So as you see, I've got it on the front camera. You literally can't see anything, but when I put my thumb there, look at the infrared you've got on my thumb. Holy shit. Thumbprint experts are literally printing my thumbprint right now and hacking every future bank account that I've currently got, or in the future that I've got. But that right there is the 3-in-1 lens kit right there. I've mainly been using these to improve my Instagram stories. I think they just give such a cool look, and they let you see so much of the space. I'm back at my mom's house because of coronavirus, you know, so I'm basically just sitting in a pretty small room compared to my apartment up in London that's currently sitting there collecting dust. So I think it's cool to be able to make the most of this space with a lens like this. It definitely showcases more of what you got going on in your environment, and I've been really liking it because it kind of is like a budget version of the wide-angle lens of the new iPhone, you know, top 11 series or whatever, right? And that's a super popular effect on the internet, is, you know, that sort of wide angle that the new iPhones give you by default, obviously, because they got the crazy triple camera. Something like this, which as you see is cheap, is really just a great alternative for other cameras. And, you know, I'm using this on the iPhone, but you could obviously use this on the Androids as well. You could use this on whatever, because it's literally it clips on. Look, I could use this on my finger if my finger had a lens. I could damn near use this on my eye. Oh, dude, that actually fucking works. Holy shit, no way. You look through it, it does it for your eye. I guess that would make sense. You see what I mean? We're discovering all sorts of new stuff together, you and me. But back onto the screen, as you see, they're cheap as hell. $14.99 is what I paid for it. The company actually sent it to me, right? They sent me a couple of these back in the day to do a couple of reviews on or whatever. So actually, I'll link my review down below. Perfect. I've got a review on this as well. I don't even know what the hell I said, but I'm sure it was something along the lines of this. Guys, buy them. They're great. They're cheap. That's probably what I was saying. But as you see, you don't have to get the exact ones I was getting, although I will be linking them down below in the description. You get any of these. There's this one, 10 bucks. That looks like it's just the fisheye on its own. 17 bucks, that's $7.99. That looks like a cheaper version of it. That's pretty much it. To conclude, you've got your normal phone camera, which is probably boring to you unless you get a new camera. Then kind of for the first week, you're obsessed with the quality. You're like, oh, look at that. Especially if you moved over from like a broken phone or something like that. But as soon as that novelty wears off, the phone camera is pretty stale. But combining it with a, you know, couple little cheap lenses like this, literally 15 quid for the 3 box set, $4.99 a piece, 5 quid a piece. You can go ahead and get your normal situation, clip on a lens, and you've got so much more right off the bat. So that right there's the video done and dusted. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Oh, god damn it. I saved that so I can use the live video. But thank you guys for tuning into the video. The link to the actual 3 lens kit that I actually have, the Mpow one, will be down below, as well as a link to this exact page showcasing all the other lens kits you could get if you might want those as well. But overall, thought it was a cool little way to get 10 times more out of your iPhone lenses. By all means, tell me if you think I exaggerated and you only get 9 times more out of your phone camera lenses. Leave a comment, but pretty sure it's at least 10 times better. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or those are the 3 actually. There's no or. follow me on one of them, or be left behind. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Have an awesome day. Don't get left behind. Follow me on the gram. Peace.